Chris does cardiology now. He can. Yeah.
Saints trained me.
He is. And the first thing
I'm
you
an
notice about him
intern.
is what, Chris?
What? Oh.
He's not cyanotic. He's not. So that's really good. He's got acyanotic congenital heart disease. Oh. He's a cute little guy.
He is.
He's got sickle cell anemia, and he's got a. It sounds like more than atrial septal defect, though, for sure. You want to feel this? Feel it right here. So get your best way to feel it like that. Feel that? Feel your hand. Just kind of against the bone. Yeah, yeah.
Take some pictures. Kinsley.
Can you feel it? Yeah. Darren, you can feel it. Or you listen to him, you can see. You can feel the murmur. You don't even have to. You don't even have to. Stethoscope. Is he short of breath? Does he feel short of breath? Daddy? Is he?
Kinsley,
Yes, sir.
Kinsley, is he short of breath?
ask him if he's short of breath. Who's the dad?
This is the dad?
Okay,
Yeah.
ask him if
Yeah.
he's short of breath.
Qui sa mother? Qui sa
Mother. Alright.
Qui sa li senti exactement? Est-ce li
Chaque lè li malade li interne ki a fait mal en pile, li pa ka respirer, le soir nou obligé mettre gros oreilles pour lui.
every night when he hurt it, he got lateral pain every night. He cannot sleep and he cannot like spirit.
Yeah, he can't breathe.
Yeah, he can't.
Yeah. Has he had any problems with his joints? Has he bled in his joints? Has he had any bleeding in his joints?
Est-ce que li gen bay ki sang ki tombe sou li deja? Sang bay sa.
Tombé? Est-ce que au bal sang déjà? Oui.
Yeah, he has. How often does that happen? How often does he have? We call it, sickle cell crisis.
Combien de temps ça a fait gen depuis fait?
Depuis le fait? Depuis monsieur fait?
Non, depuis le prend baga la.
Il prend sang? 3 mois?
3 months. 2 months.
Everything. What does he start to complain of pain in his leg, in his joints, or what happens?
Est-ce que c'était nan pied?
Il était balil?
Ou bien c'est
His wrist, his fingers.
non doit li.
Right here.
Non, venez sous forme de sérum.
It has a lot of pain when that happens.
Li te gen pile douleur là ça.
Oui.
Yeah.
Je qu'on enflé
And
seulement.
sometimes the bones.
The bones, yeah,
Yes, sir.
the bones hurt. And anybody else in the family have any problems like this?
Pa gen moun nan fami nou ki gen problem sa yo? Yes.
Yeah. Who has that?
Ki est ki gen? Eh?
Godfather.
Her father.
Oh, your father. Yeah. Okay, that's good. Good. Where can he get some blood? I'd like to check some blood count and a chest X-ray and a few things like that. Has he had that done?
Est-ce ki kote nou konen yo kan ven san bay sa yo pou li? Est-ce nou nap travay sou sa yo deja?
Pour bali sang.
Yeah.
D'habitude, li gen problème ça, li la l'hôpital là, yo kon ban nou papier et nos petits frères et sœurs.
They say when they
Yo kon voy nou al
they go
descend.
to the hospital and the hospital fill out all the paper and give them some blood.
Oh, do you have the blood work? I mean,
L'hôpital général mal descend.
Hospital General.
Hospital General. When's the last time he was at the Hospital
Ki
General?
lè nou te nan l'hôpital General? Ki denye fwa?
On t'a pris sang. 1er janvier.
1st January.
1st of January. He had some pain in his. Did he have problems, or he just went to see the doctor?
Est-ce li te gen problem ou bien te selman wè doktor?
Douleur te gen, il te fait presque un mois interné.
Did that? Yeah. And that's the last time. Hey, Chris, could he come over to our clinic in downtown Port-au-Prince? I mean, I don't know if Can we get CBCs? I forgot if we can get what we can. No, we can't. What do we do when we want that?
They send them out.
They send them to the laboratory. National Laboratory is right there on Delmar 33,
Oh, yeah.
right next to Air State Hospital there.
Yeah.
You can take, he can send him there. May cost him a little bit, but it shouldn't be much.
Yeah. Yeah.
and see, you can go right next door, I think, and get X-rays right there
Okay.
at the hospital.
Yeah.
You need X-rays.
Yeah. Like this, run blood tests and stuff like that. Because he hasn't ever had to have blood. He's ever had to have blood transfusions.
Nobody sent the job, right?
Oui.
Yes.
He has had. How many times has that happened?
Come before anybody.
Twice. When's the last time that happened?
Qui did you for anybody?
Le 1er janvier.
Offensive.
Oh, 1st of January, not long ago at all. How many? Do you know how many units of blood they gave?
Come be chasse everybody.
Just one. Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, he's okay. He hadn't had any other problems. Or
Après ça, il va y avoir le problème.
C'est anémie avec fatigue.
Do you know, like, anemia?
yeah, he's anemia. He has sickle. Do they know what he has?
You going to get anemia?
SS, falciforme, anémie falciforme, SS, globule blanc, qu'on est douleur du jour.
Sickle cell anemia. Yeah. Falciform. Right?
We can line it up. We can probably line it up with Brittany. For them to
Yeah,
bring,
okay.
Bring
Medishare.
him there to Medishare
Yeah.
and get everything he
we
needs
can-
in one place.
Okay.
And it would probably be good to get him in Brittany's system
Yeah, she needs to
in
be in
there
the
so
system.
that they can keep a watch on him until May. So if there's any problems, she's hooked in with his family.
Now, Clint, what's wrong with him? What's
He's got
correction?
at least an atrial septal defect, and he has sickle cell anemia, and he has sickle cell crisis, very, very painful. The bone actually infarcts and bleeds. The bone itself. And he says it mainly here and here, and so usually the knees are involved, and he's had to have some blood transfusions, and so he's got the problem is he gets short, like his dad said, he gets short of breath, and that tends to precipitate a sickle cell crisis. So he's got the double whammy. When he gets short of breath or has a cold or something like that, his oxygen tension falls, and then it brings on a sickle cell crisis. So at least we could fix his heart so that it wouldn't be so drop his oxygen tension. So that would cut down on the number of sickle cell crises. The problem is, I'm not sure about the heart-lung machine, and we'd have to definitely do AIDS testing on him because he's had some blood transfusions and probably not screened very well. And so, we'd want to get that and get a chest X-ray and some other things to get him. He looks a little bit anemic. Does he take a vitamin? Does he have a vitamin to take?
Vitamin?
Oui.
Yes.
Yeah, he takes one every day.
Il prend une chaque jour.
Oui.
Does the vitamin have iron?
C'est vitamine ça, il y a fait là-dedans.
Oui.
Oui.
Okay, good.
C'est un ton. Avant ça, faire bien.
They're gonna show you what kind of vitamin they give.